Now the only way you're going to get this stuffy turned is using a quick turn tool. There's two pieces to it, and we have a video link that's in the directions that shows you how to use it, but I'm going to show you right here. You want to put the open end, well, okay, let me back up. There's a plastic piece, and then there's a wooden dowel, and you want to put the one that has the opening, which is going to be the plastic. I don't know if they make different colors, but this one's blue. And you put it all the way up to the top here, and then you're going to take this tool right here, this little wooden tool, and you're going to push it into that tube, and you only have to go just a short distance, and then just keep pushing. And there it is. I mean, it's simple. It's unbelievable how easy that is to use. You would not be able to get this turned without using the quick turn. I don't think, anyway. So then you just push the rest of your ears, and make sure you get all those points out on the ear, and just keep working that until you get it all out. And that's just basic, stuffing after that.